Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a schedule of daily activities in Excel. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Microsoft Excel apps in my phone, and I want to make a daily schedule in it. So what you need to do is click on the plus icon, and here you'll be directed to the templates page, and then just scroll down until you find the daily schedule template. Okay, so this one's right here. Just click on the template, and now the template has been opened, and you can just adjust the schedule that fits into your own schedule. For example, the time and also the item. For example, I'm going to change it into 5 a.m. I wake up, for example, and you can also adjust the time like this, and you can also change the date and start time again, of course, and other adjustment. You can change the color and also the other items that you want to change. Okay, so that is how you can make a daily schedule or a schedule of daily activities in Excel. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click on like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.